So for replacing the chip, it's going to take 3 tools. You've got your Phillips screwdriver, your flathead screwdriver, and your 5/32 Allen wrench. And you start with the Allen wrench. Come to the back of the machine. You've got 2 access panels, access ports, top and bottom. And counterclockwise. And you'll feel them pop. Panel comes off. Phillips screwdriver, the top and bottom, to access the CPU board. CPU board. This is the chip, the battery pack that we're replacing. Take the flathead screwdriver and the little slot on top. Just lever it, peels right off. Grab your other one. Put the bottom on first. Clip it into place.